Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make vintage poster in Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. First, create a design and search for poster. And now click the poster portrait. Now after that, upload your picture with no background. Now after that, go to elements and search for watercolor. Now change the color to your preferred type. And after that, go to photos and find your background for your poster. Now once you found your background, just adjust it in your poster. Now click the position and click the backward. Now after that, go to text and add a heading. Now type the word that you want to add. And now change the font to rustic printed stamp. And now adjust it to the way you want and change its color to color white. And don't forget to bring it backwards. Now after that, just add some clouds to make it more appealing. And once you're done, just save your poster as PNG. Now after that, create a new poster and add your previous work. Now add some border and change it to color white. After that, adjust it fully to your poster and save it again as PNG. Now you have to create another poster and set this background to gray and add the previous poster we made. And now go to edit and select the shadows. Now select the drop, and then that's it. I hope you learned in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.